This is too much fork rebound damping. This is not enough fork rebound damping. Remove the original aluminum cap and replace it with a bronze JS cap. The JS cap has a tighter fit and is longer lasting than the aluminum. Also replace the valve with a JS valve. The JS valve has a larger diameter and a tighter fit for improved rebound damping. If there are holes here at the bottom of the damper tube, you need to cover them up with a JS aluminum sleeve. Then drill 1/8 inch diameter hole here in the middle of the conical section. If you already have holes in the conical section, just leave them. To prevent top-out clunk, you want to install the large diameter aluminum sleeves on final assembly. To prevent leaks through the bottom bolt, install this Viton washer over this little protrusion at the bottom of the damper tube. There's an aluminum ring that fits around the O-ring to keep it from getting crushed. Be sure this aluminum ring is installed all the way at the bottom of the slider in the center of the recess. To prevent leaks at the oil drain, place the Viton O-ring over the oil drain screw. Then install the aluminum ring to keep the O-ring from being crushed. Here's the complete kit. Be sure to use the tercite bushings for a smoother ride. Damping with the JS Motorsport kit is just right.